Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here at the National Golf and Country Club here in Ave Maria, Florida. This is Unit 632. It is the Birkdale floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find here at the National. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,200 square foot condo, and it comes with a covered carport space as well as a full golf membership. Let's run inside and take a look here. This home has been beautifully appointed. It is being sold turnkey, so everything that you see in the video here comes along with the purchase. Definitely some nice upgrades. They've done a gray scheme throughout the home. And this is your master bedroom with the master bath. You get the standalone shower, the 2 closets here. That's a king-size bed right there. Right across from your owner's suite is the guest bedroom here. And then we have the guest bath just off of the bedroom. The singular sink, the commode. Now here we have a combination tub and shower. Coming back out to the main hallway. This is where you're going to find your laundry space. So full-size washer and dryer plus some additional storage above. And then the Birkdale opens up into this beautiful great room design with your kitchen overlooking your living space. Here the owners have added the backsplash here. You've got the quartz countertops. Again, the nice open great room design. Over here you have your dining space overlooking the views. A nice little coffee bar setup. There's your pantry right there. Full appliance package. Really, really nicely done and attractive condo here. Last but not least, we have the exterior living spaces. So you do have this lanai here and a beautiful view of the golf course and the lake right outside your home. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.